This is video 2 on my $20 budget while eating in New York, and I am gonna share some things. We went all over the place. This video is for those that are on a budget and want us to go to New York City, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on food and you're vegan. So this is what it's for, this is who it's for, and please let me know if you'd like to see another budget video down in the comment sections. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into our video.
So as always, you know, I had to go to the corner store and get a bagel. So I got an everything bagel, but this time I got it toasted, of course. And I got it toasted. And then I got some of the sun-dried tomatoes. So I actually chopped the sun-dried tomato and mixed it in with the tofu and cream cheese. And I handed over my money, you know, for my bagel. Bagel was $4. This is what the inside looks like. I had to give it a tasty taste. Then, you know, those little carts in New York, I got some fruit off the court. And then we went by this pop-up, and she had these beautiful pictures of these plus-size women in there. So, you know, I had to walk in and see what was going on. Her information will be linked down in the description bar. Her bathing suits are eco-friendly. They're made of recycled material. They are what a vegan dreams of, and they're beautiful. Then, of course, I met this young artist who expressed her feelings and love for art and all things of the Black community. Amazing. It's just a bunch of artists, all collectively just amazing beings. They played music. We had so much fun in there, and it was a small little pop-up, and it was so cool. Then, of course, I had to go to Screamers. It is one of many of the vegan pizza places that I love going to in New York City, and they have a variety of pizzas. I have two, which are my favorite. The cheese slice and buffalo are my favorite too, so I got myself a buffalo, and that cost me $4.75, and it was well worth it. This slice is huge, and I got myself a cheese slice because, you know, why not? I'm gonna just fill my belly up. Then I enjoyed my pizza. You gotta enjoy your food, y'all. Enjoy.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good pizza.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing.
I took a cab down to Chinatown from where we were in Tribeca, picking up my sister. And this beautiful brick road in Chinatown is so pretty. We went to this place and they disrespected me. They gave me canned pineapples. And then I had some dumplings, both steamed and regular, and some spring rolls. And that was what I had in that day.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun budget eating in New York City. I am born and raised and bred in New York. I know the city in and out, but I'm still figuring it out after living here for most of my life. And I just enjoy making these videos. Again, let me know what you'd like to see me do next. I was thinking of doing a raw vegan in New York City budget, but definitely let me know, and make sure to watch my next video.